आज इस वीडियो में आपके सामने है क्लास 8 इंग्लिश ट्रेजर बुक की चैप्टर 6 द ग्रैंड ट्रोट के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। फर्स्ट इसमें है ट्रू और फॉल्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, जेरोम, जॉर्ज एंड मोंटमोरेंसी went to sit in the parlor before going for a walk. The answer is false. They went for a walk and they went to the parlor. क्योंकि वो पहले वॉक पर गए थे उसके बाद पार्लर में। सेकेंड, द मैन हु ब्रोक द रोड सेड द ट्रोट वेट 34 pounds. Answer is true. Third answer, the landlord said he had gone fishing after school one day, got lucky and catch the trout. Answer is true. Fourth, the carrier caught the fish 6 years ago. Answer is false. He said it was nearly 5 years old. Fifth, the trout was a real stuffed and preserved fish. Answer is false. The trout was actually made of plaster of Paris. Next question answers. Question number 1. How do the two friends make small talk with the people they meet in inn? Answer is, the two friends make small talk by discussing the weather, the crops and by inquiring about the trout display in the parlor. They politely ask questions and engage in casual conversation, which eventually leads to them hearing stories from the local about the trout. Second question, do you think the author and George believe each story they were told give reason? Answer is no. The author and George were skeptical about the stories they were told. Each story aggregates the size and weight of the trout, and different people claim to have caught it under different circumstances. The increasing absurdity of the story likely made the doubt the truthfulness of each account. Question 3. How did the landlords teachers react to the fishing expedition? Answer is, the landlord teacher reacted positively to the fishing expedition when the landlord, who was just a boy at the time, brought home the trout. His teacher said it was worth more than earning the rule of three and practicing combined, suggesting that the catch was something remarkable and praiseworthy. Question 4. What was the truth about the trout and how did the author George find out? The truth about the trout was that it was not a real fish at all, but rather made of plaster of Paris. The author and George discovered this when George accidentally knocked the trout case over, causing the trout to shatter into pieces. The unexpected outcomes revealed that the trout was not a genuine stuffed fish. Next, think and discuss. Question number 1. What do you think happened when the landlord found out that George had accidentally smashed the trout? Answer is, it's likely that the landlord was initially shocked or angry upon discovering that the trout was smashed. However, considering the humorous tone of the story, it is possible that he eventually found it funny, especially after learning that trout was not a real fish but a plaster model. He might have been laughed along with the author and George at the absurdity of the situation. Okay, second question, why do you think everybody in the inn was telling false stories to claim that they had caught the trout? Everyone at the inn likely told false stories to claim that had caught the trout because they wanted to impress the stranger and be a part of interesting story. It might also reflect the competitive nature of the villager. Each wanted to outdo the others with a more remarkable tale. The tradition of storytelling might have been a form of entertainment in the village. Last question और उसके आंसर.